Benefits of a wedge wire false bottom. One of the main steps in the brewing process is lautering. In simple terms, its main job is to facilitate the filtering of the spent grain from the wort. The process is performed in a vessel called a lauter tun. There are many different types of false bottoms for the lautering process. The main job of the false bottom is to support the mash bed and confine the grains above the floor, while allowing the liquid wort from the spent grains to flow through it. There are different manufacturing methods of false bottoms, such as perforated or slotted sheet metal. But there are some inherent issues with these false bottoms, such as the false bottom becomes clogged, reducing flow velocity, inefficient filtration that allows grains to pass the false bottom into the wort, clogging the pump that is used for recirculation or transferring the wort to the next process. The false bottom becomes bent or gets moved out of position, allowing mash to pass with the wort. Wedge wire false bottoms are manufactured in a unique way. The wires are V-shaped, with the wider end at the top, providing exceptional support for the mash bed. As the wire narrows toward the bottom, it allows more wort to pass. Plus, the smooth, flat surface of the wire makes cleaning easy. Learn more about a false bottom from Tiantai or contact us today.